I am Rama Krishna Reddy. I am the Managing Director of Prelam Trading Corporation. So we started our trade in 2004. We started our journey as a small trader, but we are very proud to say that now after 16 years we are one of the topmost leading distributors, having wide range of products with us like Action Tessa, Duro, Veneers, Duroply and multiple other brands. We started our first office in 2004 at Goshaman. In 2010, we started Prelam Trading Corporation here at Musapet, Kukatpalli. Initial days for me, doing a trade or doing a business is like it is my first generation business, I can say. Like earlier, my parents or father, they were just doing agriculture and doing some jobs. But this was a very big challenge for me. Though I completed my graduation, but I was not very clear of the business, how it is to be done or what to be done. I was not at all having any clarity. I just started like that, but initial 6 months we struggled a lot. So I was under a dilemma that have I taken any wrong decision? But I personally never let down my hope, confidence. I thought, yes, this is a very good platform. Definitely, we have a lot of scope. We can definitely do much better. After having so much of rich experience about the product, about the market, I thought, yes, I can do. That's how it started. Things what I see now, it is just like a dream for me. So I used to dream of all this, such a big office, a big showroom. So I wanted to give the best of the best to my customers under one roof. So that was my dream for a quite long time. But I think we were successful in providing that facility now. Duro, we were in association for almost 6 years. They are the best in the industry. They have a very wide range and every time they come up with something new. So that's really a good thing about this company. And quality wise, I have never ever faced any complaint till now. Duro is having the excellent range of veneers. I am really happy to having such good range of stocks with us, and customers are also very happy seeing at that exclusive new wide range of Duro veneers, and we are getting very good positive response from the architects, interior designers. Everyone is happy who all are visiting our showroom. Everyone is appreciating about the quality, the designs, and in terms of the pricing also, as a Duro veneer we are not too expensive. So that is also one of the good thing about our product. So they are very much dedicated. So I could see that aggressiveness with Akhilesh ji. So he personally came. He personally trained our sales team. So that was really amazing. At his level, being a managing director of the company, coming to a distributor and explaining his sales team, personally is a really, I felt honored, in fact. As the name itself, durable, longevity. So not just the product, it is the management of the company. They maintain that durability of relation. So that is the key success of the company and the product.